Okay, so the dream house lesson one, directions. So I want to format this. So I'm going to highlight A to I by clicking on the columns, and then I'm going to right click, change the column width to 30. Okay, then I'm going to click on row 9 and change row 9's row height to 120 per our directions and click OK. Then what I can do is take this information and right click, copy this from the directions and paste that into A3. The next part, I want A to I to be 1, so we're going to make a title here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight A to I, and I'm going to use something we haven't talked about yet, which is called merge and center. When I merge and center, now cell A1 stretches from A1 all the way to I1. So the title of this project, of course, is My Dream Houses. I'm going to press enter, and now that is centered nicely. I can put some type of a style on this if I want. I'm just going to bump it up in size, and that'll adjust automatically for the cell size. Make it as big as you want. We're going to leave column B open. So with columns in cell C2, we will start with typing house 1 per our directions. And again, I could copy and paste this over, but I want to show one of my favorite features from Excel. I'm going to then type house 2. Rather than having to write them all out to house 6, I can highlight these two cells. Highlight these two cells and drag this out, and it'll automatically fill in as house 2 or 3, 4, 5, and 6. Real quick, just to make sure everything's formatted quickly, I'm going to select on this little arrow in the top to highlight the whole sheet and make sure everything is bolded. Okay, and if I wanted to, just because these already have all borders, I'm going to highlight A to I, and I'm going to turn on my all borders button so that they all have similar borders like this. So now I'm ready to insert everything. And remember, column B, I could probably move that back down so my formatting is a little easier. And then in my I column, that's where I will write in averages per our directions. So now I have matched this table to Excel. Any questions? You know how to find me.